ready to roll, and go ahead.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your name again?
My name is Amar Nanui.
And you're 16.
Yes.
What grade are you in?
10.
10th grade.
Okay, so we are rolling.
Okay.
And
Okay.
My name is Vania Porres.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Okay.
I'm Ashley, and I am very outgoing. I have a mood, like, to be honest, you wouldn't even know if I'm sad or not.
Hi, my name is Tanya Rendon.
How old are you?
15.
You're 15. You're in 10th grade?
Yes.
10th grade.
okay, we're rolling, and anytime.
All right.
My name is Alicia Espina and I'm 17.
The first day of the Right to Live workshop, what did you think you were going to expect?
Quite interesting, being that we shifted through different things, such as first we watch inspirational videos, which was very important because it's like seeing something that you want, and it's just helping you, like, give you a little push to go get towards that. Then with bravery, it will help us with the fear exercises, even though sometimes I would get super nervous and freeze up.
When I first came to the workshop, when I first saw your play, it was outstanding, and it was just, I just know I wanted something to deal with it. And when I wrote to you as me already knowing you. And when I found out that I thought your situation was just for an action, but then I realized, I'm like, wait, this really happened. So I trusted you with my words when I told you exactly what happened. I've been through a lot.
I didn't think I was going to get to know people.
You didn't think you were going to know other people? Yeah. Did you know anyone in the workshop?
Just my 3 friends, Vanya.
The girls that were here, you gotta tell, we went to school for the last 2 years and we've never said nothing to each other. We got here, we've gotten closer, and it's all different races.
We were showing a lot of videos, right? Do you remember any of those videos?
You showed us a video about the bees. The Nothing.
The Nothing.
Yeah, the Nothing.
From the movie The Never Ending Story. Tell me about that. What did you think about what the Beast was talking about people?
Well, I thought that what the beast was saying is that people started like giving up in their dreams and start dreaming, and that's what created nothing. People never accomplish their dreams. That's what I thought the nothing was.
And so what did the Beast say about that? People who do not have dreams are easily controlled, right?
Yes.
How did you feel about that?
I feel like if I don't do something about my dreams, if I don't accomplish it, then I'm just gonna be like someone that can be controlled by somebody else. So I will be like just like a teddy bear just for show, and you will never do anything.
Tell me what you thought about the goal setting.
At first, I thought it was going to be hard because I never done that. Like, I never had to take steps to get like where I want to go. And it was kind of challenging because you have to like actually think it through, like what steps you have to do first and what not to do, like not skip a step because like every step is important. And I like that.
Name one of your goals that you're going to accomplish in 5 years.
I want to get my degree in psychology.
That's right. Well, who are you going to be in 10 years from now?
I want to be a doctor. At first I thought I want to be a pediatrician doctor, like a pediatrician who works with kids and everything. But then I was like, I don't know if I really want to do that, but definitely I want to be in the medical field.
In 10 years, I see myself as a part of the United States Olympic swim teams, and also a computer programmer.
In 10 years from now, I see myself traveling to Mexico, working with my auntie definitely as a dentist, something that I really want to accomplish in life. I see myself as a successful person, someone that graduated from high school and a university and college too.
Yes, and you will. Yeah, you're
initial thought to the affirmations were, wow, that's a lot of words to read every day. It was just like, whoa.
It's kind of like you said, get your dictionary and look up what some of the words mean. And then I actually fell in love with opulent. I don't know why.
Opulent.
Opulent.
Yes, I am opulent.
I am opulent. I am successful. Something that I actually keep in mind. I'm very successful. Wisdom.
I am wisdom.
I am wisdom.
One of that I'm
And why?
connected with is I am wise. And I feel that I am wise because I am not easily bothered and I know what's right and what's wrong and how to control myself.
My favorite affirmations are I am strong, I am healthy, and I am wealthy.
Nice.
I am a multimillionaire. I am healthy. And of course, again, I am wealthy.
I feel like I could accomplish a lot. I feel like I could actually do what I want to do, like whatever I want. Like if I want to become a director, I feel like I could do that.
Yes, and you can, and you will.
My business is named Henna by Amara, and the tagline is, if you like it, then you should put a henna on it. And so with that, at first, I didn't think I would make it into a business. I thought it would just be like a side gig and that I would probably only make like 40. But with the workshop, it showed me that push for more, instead of just settling for something low.
Did your thinking change from the first day of class to where you are now of how you see yourself and what you want to accomplish? Has that changed?
Yes, because like back then, like I didn't like socializing with people. I like always kept to myself. Like I have a group of friends and I'll only socialize with them. But now I see people walking by me. The girls that I work with now, like I always say hi to them. I always communicate them. I'm not in my shell anymore. Like I'm open.
Like I could be more open about myself. I could talk more. Like I don't gotta be the shy little Tanya that be hiding from her friends. I can communicate more. I can participate. Something I have never done. I actually do. Act. I never thought about doing acting. Yeah, that was something new for me. Something I actually enjoy right now.
You like it now?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you kind of want to say about the workshop? Just some interesting detail or something that just kind of sticks in your head about it?
I like how Miss Star pushed me to act in front of my friends and in front of the girls. Like I was shy about it, and I like how she was just like, "Oh, go for it! Like we're not here to judge you."
Well, if I were a teacher and I had to do an affirmation for my kids, I believe that it would be something that describes ourselves, something that describes them too, something that is going to make them feel good about them and feel like they can do something else in their future, something that's good, that will help them.
Yeah.
To be honest, I got the just believing I can do it from our affirmations and just seeing everyone just keep trying and then from your story that you made it this far. Just from your situation in the play is amazing. So just thinking about that and you made it this far, I know I can too.
Great, good job. You rocked it. That was awesome.
You did, right?